Okay, we're going to start drawing Cad One from your manual. So to do so, I open up the seed file. So I go to File, Open, Drawing, then select, go find the seed file wherever it resides, and open it up. And immediately do a Save As, all right? Because you don't want to draw in the seed file, you just want to use it as your prototype. So I'm going to Save As, and I'll call it Cad One. Backing out here, Cad O-N-E, Cad One. All right, you got your basic drawing screen. I set my background to a kind of light gray. My crosshairs are magenta. Per your lecture, you guys kind of went over this. Remember, we always start with this ribbon at home, and you're ready to draw. Just remember the F8 key down here. All right, the F8 is your ortho mode. So if you want to draw horizontal lines or lines that are angles, you can turn that on and off. The object snap, if you want to snap on endpoints, midpoints, centers of circles, etc., you use the object snap. Notice the F3 and the F8, you can use those F keys, and it does it quickly. All right, let's start drawing Cad 1. If you notice, the length of the object is 8 3/4. So I'm going to draw a line, and we pick it. And since it's not drawing horizontally, then I go to my F8, turn that on, and now it's horizontal. And I'm going to punch in the value 8.75. All right, that's the length. And notice up here is where my command prompt is. If you grab these little bars, you can move your command prompt. Normally it resides down the bottom, but I put it up here because your ribbon's up here and your eyes kind of want to look up instead of looking down. So I type in 8.75, hit enter, and there's the length of my line. If you right mouse click and hit cancel, then you're out of the command. And if you want to verify that that is 8.75, let me turn that off. If you want to verify that, go to properties, pull down here and go to list. All right, if you notice what list says displays property data. So if I hit list and then select it, let me do that again. I don't know why I picked it up. Properties, list, select objects, enter. It tells me that the length is 8.75. So now when you're done, you can escape and you're ready for another command. So I'm going to go back to line. I'm going to pick up that endpoint, and I'm going to draw it up 4 inches because it's 5.5 minus 1.5 would be 4. And then I can just point it in direction that is 1.75, and then I can go up 1.5. Remember, if you actually get out of the line command, you can always go back to hit line and then pick up the endpoint. Now if I turn my F3 off, okay, object snap off, and I go to pick a line, and you go over on the endpoint, it doesn't pick it up, does it? So you don't ever want to eyeball, zoom in and say, okay, there, you can never eyeball the endpoint exactly. You're always going to be off a great amount, pretty much. So always turn your object snap on, F3, and then therefore you can pick out the endpoint and then drag it, and that's 1.75. And it looks like it's 3 inches down. It's 1.75 across, 3 up, 1.75 down, 1.5 over 1.75, and then you can simply just pick the endpoint. And then when you're done, right mouse click, hit enter, and there's your final drawing on Cad 1. Again, if you don't know the lengths, you can always go to properties, hit this little arrow here, pull down, hit list, and you can pick an entity, enter, and it gives you the length right here. See, gives you the data, Gives you more information, just length. Gives you the delta XYZ. Tells you what layer it's on, etc. So that may be information you may need. Okay, that's it for CAD 1.